As you can see, your girl has a cute 30-inch dread wig, and I think it is so freaking adorable. Today's video will be me installing this wig. This video is sponsored by Kalyss's hair. So if you would like to see how your girl got this look with this wig, keep on watching. So I have my little plait braids in, and I braided them down in 4. I got my parts and stuff greased down each part or whatever, so I'm about to go ahead and put on the wig. And here is the wig. Here, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. We have a nude wig cap, also sent over some lashes, which are super cute, and then old clip things to put into the dread wig. Let's see. Okay, period. I love this. Wait a minute. So this is what the wig looks like out of the pack. Here is the lace, and then this is how the actual dreads or hair look. I think they are pretty cute, so I am excited to be putting this on. Let's go ahead and put on the wig cap since I have my braids already down. I think this wig cap would match my skin okay. I think it would be okay. So let's put the wig cap on. So I don't think I'm going to actually glue the wig cap down today. I'm going to just put it on. So I'm gonna make sure my wig cap is secure. The wig in the back does have some clips here, the adjustable clips where you can actually clip it down to your size. So I do like that. I'm gonna go ahead and just try it on and see how she fits and everything. And look, the combs even come covered. I think that is amazing. Okay. So I feel like it's just a little bit big in the back. So I'm going to take it off and adjust the straps to make it just a little bit smaller. One thing about this wig, the wig is 30 inches and it's a 13 by 5 lace in the inside. So it comes from here to here. So if you can see here, it has the adjustable clip. So I had to just move it 2 spaces. So it was at this space right here, and I just moved it 2 spaces over so it can be a little bit snug on my head. Okay, so I feel like the wig is nice and snug on the sides and in the back. So as you can see, it did come with some pre-done baby hairs right here on each side, which I think are so cute. I'm going to go ahead and clip all of the hair back so that I'm able to see with just like a little clip. And I'm going to be using my Ebony spray. I'm not gonna, like I said, I'm not gonna glue it down or anything. I'm just gonna spray it down. Okay, so I did 1 layer of spray. I think I'm gonna do a 2nd layer just so it could be like a little bit more secure. That's just too beautiful words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too beautiful words, don't wanna face it. I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I'm been skipping. That's how I control this feeling. You keep giving, you keep on hitting it. Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. The 2nd layer has dried, so I think I'm going to put some foundation like in some of the parts, just so it can kind of be just a little bit lighter, and you could kind of see through it a little bit, because you know you don't want it to be giving lace. So I'm just putting a little bit between each part, just in the front where you can actually see it. Now I'm going to cut the lace off since it is nice and dry. I really want to tie it down a little bit just for a little while, but the lace is not long enough for me to tie it down and cut it. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it off. I'm just going to lift up my baby hairs.
I put my feelings on safety, so I don't go shooting where your heart be. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to deal with making you bleed. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, make me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you. Tripping on you. But I act a fool when I don't get it. And I'm steady bruising just to save this. But I tricked on your love, now I'm addicted. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't tryna waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I'm been skipping. That's how I control this feeling. You keep giving, you keep on hitting it. Ooh, oh. Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, make me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you. Tripping on you.
Rose.
I put my feelings on safety, so I don't go shooting where your heart be. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to deal with making you bleed. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't tryna waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I'm been skipping. That's how I control this feeling. You keep giving, you keep on hitting it. Ooh, oh. Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, make me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad for tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad for tripping when I don't get it. And I'm steady bruising just to save this, but I tricked on your luck.
Okay, y'all, so this is how the wig is looking. I put on the little gold clips. I think they're super cute. I'm gonna get up and show y'all the back. Like I said, this wig is 30 inches. I did what I could do with the baby hairs. I think they're pretty cute. I don't know, y'all. Let me know down below what you think of the baby hairs. But I feel like it was a lot of baby hairs. I probably could have thinned them out a little bit, but I don't have a razor for that, so I just decided to kind of cut them shorter and yeah, just do it like this. But I'm gonna show y'all the back of the wig because like I said, it is 30 inches. So this is what the back looks like. Super long. And this is what the dreads actually look like up close. I think they are so neat, y'all. These are not dreadlocks. I think they are goddess twists or passion twists. I'm not exactly sure, but this is how the hair actually looks itself up close. I think it's cute, and I like how they are all different lengths. Like this one's super long, and then you'll have one that's a little bit shorter. But yeah, I think it's super cute. Okay, you guys, like I said, this is how the wig turned out. Y'all let me know down below in the comments what you think. But I absolutely love it. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. I'm feeling it. It's a vibe. I think it's definitely not giving so much wig. It's actually giving goddess locks or whatever kind of locks these are. But yeah, I like them. I think I'm gonna style this and put this in a ponytail, y'all.